Okay, try again.
Hi.
Let's go.
Alright, yeah.
Good. Where's your finger? Oh, nice.
Safe.
Careful aim, careful aim.
Okay. When it's unsafe, you can't pull the trigger. When it's on fire, you can. But this is right there. This, that lets the slide. See, I've got to let it back, and that puts it forward. When you load it, the bullets come up through the magazine, which is right here.
Lock your arms. Lock your arms. There you go.
Ease it up like that. And release the slide.
That's it. Where's your finger? Where's your finger? Good. Where's your safety?
The gun aimed down the range.
Yeah,
Take
like.
this stuff
Pop that thing out.
down.
Pop it out.
Now you're ready to shoot. Okay?
Good job. What do you think?
The only time you put it on fire is down here.
What do you think?
And then when you
Fun.
It's what?
Fun.